Look at this, it's a sold-out crowd. Welcome to the streets of Long Beach. Make some noise for the Drift Nation. We are ready to get at it like a track addict. And here we go. Let's send it! It's official, we've begun Formula Drift Round 1, 2024 season. A slow roll into it, gets all the way out there, taps the wall, throws back. Bohan loses it. Look at the swing from Shanahan at the gate. Brewski right there. Shanahan on, blazing a trail right now. Wow,
oh, man.
What a run. The crowd erupts here in Long Beach. Alex Robbins, gets way loose. Has some trouble there chasing down Kazuya Taguchi. Look at that, Mr. Cool applying the pressure. Brandon Sorensen, United States Air Force, really deep in that third outside zone. And look at Odie Bakshis. Wow. Jonathan Hurst spins out. James Dean, if he continues on, will have a major advantage here. Oh, no! Kazuya banging doors, banging buttons. Whoa! Here we go, Chris the Force Forsberg, all new Z, tip the tail on initiation. Trying to apply that pressure. And look at how close the proximity. Rome using all that outside zone 3. Trying to go in that first outside zone. James Dean hanging it out quite a bit. James Dean and Simon Olsen crawling their way across that finish line. And your winner here, James the Machine Dean.